This is the Sofern F1. I've always wanted to have a mini EDC flashlight, and I saw this one on the market. I got curious. I bought this for testing, and let's explore all the features. Let's go. We are going to unbox itong Sofern F1. So, let's start the unboxing. So, ito na siya nung dumating. Medyo nasira na yung box niya. In the box is yun, yung unit agad. The Sofern F1. Oh, check it out. Most likely the battery is inside. Dito naman. And then meron siyang lanyard. Meron na siyang charging cord. It comes with a pocket clip. So it's a two-way pocket clip. Like that. Okay. Wow. Napakalakas. The Sofern F1 is a EDC pen type light. It's very small. It runs on this 14500 size 900 milliamp hour battery. You can charge it using a USB-C. So this can run using a AA battery. In case you're in a situation where charging is a bit of a challenge or nalimutan mo mag-charge, you can always use or you can always purchase a AA battery. And this can run using a AA battery. So this is very flexible when it comes to power source. So the next feature that we'll talk about, this has a Nichia 51A LED. It's a high CRI LED, and if you know me, I love high CRI lights because maganda yung beam profile niya. It's very pleasing sa mata and it's very enjoyable. And for this EDC flashlight, a high CRI light is a game changer for me. Next feature that it has, surprisingly, it has a zoom lens. Its maximum output is around 800 lumens, and I think for a small light and for your regular everyday use, 800 lumens is ample enough. So the Sofern F1 has 4 intensities. So we have low, medium, high, and turbo. So this is low, medium, high, and then turbo. Yung length niya is nasa 96 millimeters. Napakagaan niya. Super lightweight, 28 grams without the battery. And napaka-premium ng switch niya, guys. The switch is by far one of the best switch that I've tried of all the flashlights that I've owned. Napaka-solid, napakaganda ng feel, and this can be a momentary switch. You will just have to half press it and then it will activate. So this is very useful when you're signaling. So there. The UI is very simple. So one click to activate, and there are 2 ways for you to cycle through the intensity. So when you're turned off, you can half press para madali mong ma-cycle through. Half press mo lang and it will cycle through. Yan. Pwede mo siyang i-double press. I-double press mo siya. Yan. It will cycle through. Yan. And one other thing that the UI allows you to do is tinatandaan niya yung last intensity na ginamit mo. So let's say for example, you're at low and then medium, high. Yan, lagay natin sa high. When you're at high and then you turn it off, pagbukas mo uli, nasa high pa rin yan. Yan. Lagay natin sa low. And when you turn it off, turn it on again, nasa low pa rin yan. It feels tactical because of the tail switch. Dahil sa liit niya, pwede mo siyang gawing headlamp. Yeah, you can clip this on your hat if you have, and it will serve as a nice headlamp, very useful when you're camping and if you're reading something. And if you just have a hat or any strap, pwede mo siyang gawing headlamp. Isa sa mga katangian niya na nagustuhan ko talaga is yung texture niya, is yung feel niya. It has a premium feel. Napaka-pleasant niyang dalhin, napaka-pleasant niyang hawakan. Sturdy lahat. Smooth ang zoom mechanism niya. Yung paint is napaka-premium, matte finish. Yung switch is napaka-solid. Solid yung switch. Premium talaga. And Kung napapansin nyo, nagiging luminous yung kanyang reflector. Let's test out the beam shots. Let's go. Okay guys, ito yung Sofern F1. Wow. Ibang angle naman. Yan. Napakalakas. And if you need more throw, just twist the cap and then you'll have a more throwy flashlight. Yan. And it's on turbo. Yan. So, cycle natin, try natin. Low, medium, high, and then turbo. Wow. Yan. Naka-turbo na yan. Sofern F1. So you can see naman how far the beam gets. Yan. Napakaganda. Sulit for its size. If we summarize it, special features niya is yung zooming lens niya, yung mini form, at saka yung flexible power source, ultra lightweight, two-way clip, momentary switch, and the best feature that this flashlight has is the LED, which is the Nichia 519A. It is a high CRI LED, and because I'm a huge fan of high CRI, I'm sold with this Sofern F1.